Hello, you lovely people. This is me, Chef Varun, and welcome to Nutrela Healthy Plate with Varun. Well, most of us love eating kebabs, but what if I tell you that kebabs can be made in a healthy way too? Don't agree? Let me show you. Today's recipe is a healthy, nutritious, and absolutely delicious Paneer Dill Kebabs with Nutrela soya. Let's begin. I'm going to divide this recipe into a couple of components. The first one, of course, is taking the Nutrela Soya Granules. Very easy to use. This contains 52% protein and is low in fat. I'm adding hot water to soy granules, soak it for a couple of minutes, and then squeeze the water out. We see that the grainy texture has now softened and is perfect for our recipe. Now they're ready to use. And move on to boiled potatoes, which need to be grated along with paneer and beetroot. Let's do that. Moving on to paneer. I actually like paneer, and the interesting thing is that it's one of the best sources of protein that not only is delicious but also boosts our immunity. And finally, beetroot. Time to add in our soy granules. This is a wholesome protein-packed meal that also helps our digestive system. Add in some fresh dill leaves. As unique as it is, it has multiple benefits too. From improving appetite to lowering cholesterol, it is one of the best sources of fiber that you can consume. And now, paste of ginger and garlic. Salt. As a chef, I've always had a special place for spices. Let me tell you, Patanjali Spices are not only flavorful, but just about perfect. Let's now bring our kebab mixture together by mixing all of these wonderful ingredients together. Our kebab mixture is done and ready. Let's now move on to shaping these. Let's dip our fingers and palm in some cold water, and we take lemon-sized balls, shape these like so, and then elongate these a little. Of course, the shape and the size completely depends on your discretion. Let's keep these little cigar rolls like so and make some more. Our kebabs are shaped and ready. The next step is to keep this in the freezer for just 5-7 minutes, and then we pan fry these using Nutrela refined sunflower oil. Let's do that. It is rich in omega-6, contains natural antioxidants, and is fortified with vitamins A and D. It also helps maintain natural blood cholesterol levels. Let's carefully flip our delicate kebabs and pan fry them till they are wonderful golden brown in color. Our healthy kebabs are done and ready, and with this, of course, the flame. Let's serve this with a relish, chutney or dip of our choice. With this, ladies and gentlemen, Nutrela Soya Paneer Dill Kebabs are done and ready. Absolutely delicious, nutritious and wonderfully tasty. Make this for your family, make this for your friends, and ensure you serve them a healthy plate every time. For more such soy recipes and a nutritious way of life, do not forget to check the Instagram handle, mynutrela. And on that note, also like, share and subscribe to get curried. For more such recipes, stay tuned. Bye for now.